So, testing out the new camera, and whoa, look at that zoom. I love this wide angle. Anyway, we're gonna go do a photo shoot and make a video about it because it's fun, and we'll probably never publish this. I do some photography. He's getting his graduation photo taken. I'm taking them because I'm not very good, but I'm his brother. But before we go, quick stop. Austin, what are we doing?
We're gonna make pour over coffee because coffee is an important part of life.
Important part.
Yes, that we need to do.
Hold on.
So here we have this guy. Ah, found it.
Is it ready?
It's ready.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Does anybody remember my feelings about coffee?
He's clearly not a part of our family because
I don't like coffee. It has to have tons and tons of additives before it's tolerable.
How do you do it? This is not a montage, man.
Perfect. There's one problem doing coffee that way. Yeah, it's basically like colder than room temperature. Oh.
But it is extremely hard to know what to leave in and what not.
Oh. Yeah, it needs to be a little.
See,
It needs to be warmer.
you need to drink coffee like a real man,
Hold on.
aka straight black.
So if any of my friends are watching this from Iraq, Sefyan, if you're watching this, do you remember that time when Hold on.
If you wouldn't pour so much cold liquid in it, it wouldn't be so cold.
If you remember the Energizer Bunny, you know who you are. You know what I'm talking about. Sefyan, if you're out there watching this, comment. Remember that time I offered you some coffee and you said, they don't really do coffee here, so this is wonderful. Even though I don't really like coffee unless I put tons and tons of cream and sugar in it. Do you want to try some?
No.
Are you sure?
You want I barf?
Oh, it's
I like tea,
amazing.
but I don't like coffee.
You don't like coffee?
No, I don't.
See, I'm with you. That was a good time. I should come visit you again. Oh, hey, that's pretty lit. Taste this.
This is gonna be even worse. You thought his reaction was bad.
Just be realistic. Yeah,
No, seriously,
it's like
that is
drinking
awful.
a Krispy Kreme donut. It's so
That's
sweet.
exactly.
So the idea behind this video is we're shooting photos of him for graduation, but this is also the first time I've made a video with this new camera, the 6D Mark II. See my last video. So we're kind of putting it through its paces. Okay, change of plans. This is apparently a reserved parking lot, so we have to go. That was a fail. So we got a little distracted because, wow, found this really amazing old church here. They're letting us kind of come in here and take some photos and look at it. Wow.
Actually, the bell tower is the oldest part of the church.
Really?
We're 5 years away from 200 years.
That is so cool.
There's a light.
Thank you so much.
That's amazing. That's fantastic that you're letting us go up there. I've always wanted to go into this bell tower. These bricks are handmade
They are.
and like what?
Pre-Civil War.
Pre-Civil War. Look at these beams, man. Whoa, look at that. Okay, there's the rope. Goes on up. Just so everybody knows, this is 100% with permission. And yeah, they're saying we can go up one level higher here. Okay, so she says we can go up one level higher if we don't die. Wow.
This thing is shaky.
Yeah, you're kind of up there a long ways. I guess you realize that.
Oh, hot dog.
I'm just chilling at the top of this ladder. Look at this. I'm not sure if this thing clearly shows how steep this is.
Check this out.
It's really steep.
Bell, we've been ringing it.
Really steep. Oh, wow.
Can I run all the way to the end without falling?
We're at the top. And yeah, this is probably the tallest building in town. I think we're taller than the courthouse. Oh, and we got the bells right up here. The crazy thing with this is also one of the oldest buildings in town. It's pre-Civil War, I think like 1820s or something. And she said this part of the structure is the oldest part of the church. Hey, adventure's over.
All right.
That's crazy steep, bro.
Yep.
That wasn't in our plans, but I'm really glad we rolled with it.
Yeah, no kidding.
Okay, we really need to do a photo shoot now. We're getting way too distracted. We haven't gotten one thing done that we had originally planned. We have tons of time, not really, but important things must happen first.
Which is Mexican sodas.
Because there's this really legit local joint, this kind of mom and pop shop, has sodas imported from Mexico. They're so good.
Ooh, mango. Bam.
Mango? I'm not sure if I want a mango. Nice. Doing fantastic. How about you?
Okay, thank you. 336.
Thank you. Yeah, this was definitely worth stopping for. At the other location, clouds stole all the light. We'll have to make it work.
Any words?
No, I have no words. I'm
Yeah.
speechless. Outro shot of us packing the car. Ready?
Yep.
You gotta make sure you can get the camera. Yep, good day. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah.